Oo, and in addition to that, yung combinations na gagamitin ng mga coaches sa game na to. As we know naman, both coaches, mga seasoned coaches na to pareho.
Ballesteros. Garcia to Roman. Kenji fires a 3. Yes.
There you go.
Yeah.
And si Kenji, no, I know that Coach Eric Gonzalez at itong si Richie Tixon prepared well for this guy because alaga nila to before eh. Oo, sa FEU Tamaraws.
Line. Kani, no good. To the corner. Hubert knocks it down. And, you know, ito ring Quezon, mahirap din to, Coach, because it's 11-0 round. The handle. Steal completed by Judel Fuentes. Bounce pass to Minerva. Extra pass, Sandagon finally. Fuentes is open. Corner 3. Wala. Rebound. Gab Banal for 2.
Talagang magi-space na lang siya ng floor eh.
Oh, Estrella knocks it down. His first quarter scores brought to you by GameX Sports, the official online basketball any partner of the MPBL. Easiest of transitions, but nonetheless, this is the business that we are in. Kailangan mong hanapan ng paraan as Gaban. Judel Fuentes pulls up. Jodel.
There you go.
So, ganda din ang pinapakita ni Garcia dito as LJ Gonzalez lays it in.
Ang hirap yan. Tapos William Bing stands around 6'3", 6'4".
Oh, isa pa yun as Gabanal hits his second 3 of the ball game. 22-15, under 6 minutes remaining here. As a steal by LJ Gonzalez for 2. Nakatawid. Yambing is open. William Bing, the side step and the finish. So, Minerva, here's Nino Ibanez.
Good defense there by Kenji Roman.
Opiso, short stab is good.
Specialty. Fit para actually for him na nagkaroon siya ng magandang playing time for the Huskers.
Oh, great move. Galing kay Chino Mosqueda.
Pero alam mo you as coaches, you always look at the bigger picture.
And Jason Ballesteros. What about him? Mosqueda.
Good pass. Sayang.
Opiso is fouled. That will count. His halftime score is brought to you by GameX Sports, the official online basketball ending partner of the MPBL. Basta Sing Fuentes.
Great defense there.
A nice pass ahead to Paul Garcia.
Akala ko ipapasa kay William Bing eh.
It's a baby top ring.
Baby top ring.
LJ gets into the lane and puts it in for 2.
Sometimes kailangan namin i-time out para i-remind lang yung mga players namin na tumawag kayo ng play.
Yeah, man, that's a beautiful spin move galing kay Simon Sandagon. Estrella drives.
Good one.
Left-handed scoop is good para kay Andoy Estrella. 5 to shoot. Andoy, spin move. Andoy Estrella! Umupo sa ere.
And what Andoy is doing right now. And yes, alam mo yun, being your first line of defense, okay ka dun.
Abdul Sawat gets that one to trickle in. Binigay kay Minerva. Who's hardly been a factor in this ball game. Mateliano with a reverse.
And that's just what they need. Alam mo yun.
Chino. There's a double team. Opiso is down on the floor. Oh, great play. Mosqueda to Abdul Sawat and Jason Ballesteros.
Itong Huskers.
Rodel Gravera sa gitna. Binigay kay Ibanez. 3. And you see as many as 14. Gonzales to Banal. There's a switch. Opiso sa ilalim. Jason Opiso puts it in. A single point kanina. Banal. The extra pass. Materiano. Extra pass again. Maganda naman, no? Jason Opiso. May 7 na puntos na sa ating laro.
And now the assist.
This third quarter score is brought to you by GameX Sports, the official online basketball ending partner of the MPBL. But to Gabanal, LJ Gonzales atake sa gitna. LJ, yes. The Huskers have the lead for the first time. Kay LJ Gonzales, another stellar outing for the rookie. Roman, tres, pasok yan. How was I?
They're gonna run the same play.
Kani will fire. Yes! Hubert Kani.
And I think, and this is the same manner how they started the game. 2 3-pointers.
Oh.
Diba? It was Kenji Roman also and Hubert Kani.
Opiso answers right back. 12 puntos na.
He said, definitely. Do you agree, gentlemen?
Thank you so much, Javi. Such a provocative question from Javi Palania.
Oo naman.
Pero
Garcia. And ay pinag-usapan natin sa Delft na maganda nag-end up siya sa tamang team.
what a move.
At ito rin.
Hubert Kani. Gonzales gets the ball to Opiso inside. Minerva 2+1. LJ. Judel, libre, jumper is good. 4 na puntos para kay Judel Fuentes. Oh, Judel Fuentes. 7 puntos na.
Hindi pa yan tapos.
LJ. Binigay kay Jason Opiso.
Kaya gagawin nitong QC production.
Yun nga yung problema dito because if it's just a tight game, problema si LJ. And problema din si Jason Opiso.
Again, making pa sila ng in double figures eh.
LJ Gonzales will win the foot race. Gonzales is blocked!
No call, no call.
What a defensive play galing kay Jason Ballesteros. Kani bungles the layup. LJ winning the foot race. But Kuya Jason Ballesteros not giving up.
Bawal, sabi ni Kuya Jason.
Fuentes, yes! Unfortunately for everyone, they play for the same team.
I say.
Opiso with a finish. The Huskers finishing strong. 20 points. Of the MPBL. Basta ending Game X. William Bing trying to keep QC alive. LJ Gonzales with a save. Opiso breakaway. Sensational run.
And again, that guy, sinasabi ko, yung ginagawa ni LJ Gonzales sa clutch. Okay. Now, that's an assist. Before that, it was a steal. Diba, parang hindi mananalo itong Huskers the way how they started this game eh.
Minerva to Opiso. An amazing run here in the fourth quarter. 70-59. The Quezon Huskers winning over Quezon City to the action. Final scores brought to you by GameX Sports, the official online basketball ending partner of the MPBL. Basta ending, GameX.